Welcome to the WatchPAT 1 instructional video. This video will guide you step by step through the correct use of the device. Please make sure you have your WatchPAT 1, your phone, internet access, and the PIN number provided from your physician's office before you begin setting up your WatchPAT. Please note that you will put the WatchPAT 1 on just before getting into bed. Using your phone, upload the WatchPAT 1 app from either the iPhone App Store or the Android Play Store. After downloading the app, open it and accept all permissions required by the app. These permissions are required for the app to operate. Open the box and take out the WatchPAT device. Pressing the Preview button on the welcome screen of the app will take you through a short tour about how to set up the device. When you are ready, press the Ready button. Insert the battery into the WatchPAT 1 device. Make sure the green indication light blinks. Press Next. Please avoid using hand cream and make sure your fingernails are trimmed. Before continuing, remove all jewelry and accessories. And then press Next. Now enter the 4-digit PIN code provided by your physician's office and press Enter. Now, take the snoring and body position sensor and direct the sensor cable through your pajama sleeve up to your neck opening. Remove the tab from the sticker and attach the sensor just below your sternal notch. It is recommended to use medical tape to secure the sensor in place. Press Next. Then take the wrist device and strap it on your non-dominant hand. Not too tight, not too loose. And press Next. Then place the index finger of your non-dominant hand inside the finger probe. While pushing it against a hard surface, pull out the tab. Be careful not to twist the probe. Then press Next. Now you are all set. Make sure the phone is placed no more than 15 feet, 5 meters, from the bed. Press Start Recording to start the test and plugged into the electricity socket all night. The phone must remain plugged into the electricity socket, otherwise the test will not proceed. It is now time to go to sleep. Good night. If you need to get up during the night for any reason, leave the phone plugged in. There's no need to carry the phone with you. WatchPAT will automatically resync with your phone once you re-enter the room. In the morning when you wake up, press End Recording on the app. Wait for a few minutes until the device completes the data transmission. At this time, you may use your mobile phone as usual, but stay within the device proximity. Remove the probe, sensor, and WatchPAT 1 device. Once the data transmission has concluded, you will receive a thank you message. Press Close App. The information will shortly be available for your physician to interpret. There is no need to keep or return the device, simply dispose of it. And that's it, your test is complete. We hope you found this instructional video useful. If you need any assistance using the device, please call Itamar Help Desk at 888-748-2627.